if you have a good base, if you have a active base, just this serum alone is good to go. Honestly, you will not even waste your money, and that product is going to be the best. Like, nobody will use that face cream that will not come back. Like, this serum I want to introduce to you guys now. Guys, you just need to try it. It's just perfect serum you can use to activate your lotion with no issue. So I'm going to explain everything about this serum and how it works. Okay, so just watch this video to the very end. Okay, and I can as well tell you other few things you can add to this to boosting your base cream if it's not really that active. Hi guys, it's again Fresh Beauty World. Welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time of stopping by, you're highly welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notification bell below so you'll be the first to be notified each time we drop a video. In case you don't know what this channel is all about, this channel is all about skincare. Like, we premix and make product reviews on supplements and face cream, booster and oils that you can use to activate and treat and glow your skin. Okay, so just go ahead and subscribe. And we premix more than organic. That is what my people want, right? So nobody's patient to wait for organic to work. That is just it. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe. And my returning subscribers, if you have not turned on your post notification bell, please go ahead and turn it on. It's for your own good. At least each time we upload video every day, so each time we upload video, YouTube will let you know. Okay, it's very important. So like I said earlier, this concentrate here with me is very good and perfect for face. Guys, this serum is going to boost in your face cream and also treat pimple, black spots, acne and every other thing on your face or customer face. So if you have this challenge that your customer keeps complaining that your face cream is giving them black spots and all that instead of treating black spots, so you're tired of that kind of complaint, so that's why I said watch this video to the end. Okay, and I'm also going to tell you one thing you can add to that face cream to make it more active, not to be harsh, not to this whitening. Okay, so the concentrate the face serum I want to talk about here is Rapid White Whitenizer. Guys, I have been using this product like over a year now. Like, this product, I love this product like mad. The company that owns this is also the company that owns this RWT cleanser that you can use to treat your dark and knuckles. Okay, so this concentrate, guys, helps a lot in treating dark spots, brightening your face, beautifying your face in 7 days. That is how good this face serum is, this concentrate is. And it also helps to treat pimples and edge spots, okay, and wrinkles. So this concentrate is just what you need. That is just the only thing you need on your face cream. Like I said, not all the concentrate that you add on your body lotion that you can use to make your face cream, because your face is more sensitive to compare your skin. Okay, so this one right here, you can use this to make your face cream, but not for hot chocolate or caramel, but for someone that wants to like whitening up her skin in a healthy way, not 5 days or 7 days whitening. Okay, so this concentrate, you can go ahead and try it if your product is not active, if you have lost a lot of customers due to face cream not working on their face or damaging their face. Just make sure you get this. This is not my product, so I'm not advertising it, but I'm just trying to be of help for those of you that have been passing through this challenge of not having or achieving effective and active face cream. Okay, so that is just the purpose of this video. So if you don't have any serum that works perfectly for you, guys, go ahead and try this, and also make a review about the other serum. Guys, that serum, most of people on my list, that is on my WhatsApp, when they saw that this thing, they were like, wow, I've tried this serum and it's like blah blah blah. So you can go and try it by yourself. I dropped a video about that Zero Tasha. I'm going to drop the link under this video, okay, so you can click and watch. So that face serum, guys, that face serum is just everything you need. That face serum is just everything you need to activate your face cream and, you know, glow, treat and moisturize your face. So look at how this rapid white whitenizer look like. This is how it looks like. And guys, if you're adding it, make sure you're adding it with your right senses, okay? Because I said it's active does not mean you should go and pack 5-10 and pour inside one production. No, do it with your sense. Too much of everything is very bad, okay? So if you're doing this, remember you're doing this for face, not for body. If you have any damage on your face, you cannot cover it up. You just have to treat it. But if you have any damage on your body, you can be using clothes to cover it up and as well be treating it. Okay, so that is just it. If you're making any product for face, please just be very careful. Very careful. Let me tell you the secret, guys. If your lotion is not whitening your customer the way they want, but your face cream brightening or treat and whitening their skin, they will keep on coming because they know, yes, your product is active. Because when someone see you, they'll first look direct to your face. Okay, so that is just it. So you can go ahead and try this. It's very good. You can add this and add that zero tasha of serum. Like I said on that video, guys, they have zero spots and they have zero tasha. It's the same thing, you know, it's just the name. Okay, it's just the name, it's the same thing. So you add this, it is basically for treatment. When you add this, you add a miracle powder, you add a tea tree oil, guys, you are good to go. And you add quick clear, guys. Quick clear face cream is just perfect. Like, it's very good when it comes to treating your face, like treating your face. Quick clear face cream is just the best. Okay, you can go ahead and use it. Use this and tea tree oil, guys. Tea tree oil helps a lot to treat dark spots, most especially dark spots, and it helps to brightening and, you know, glow your face. Okay, you can put tea tree oil, miracle powder, you add this and you're good to go. Okay, if you're making in a batch, this thing large quantity, that's why I'm not giving recipe, because I don't know the, you know, the quantity you want to make. Okay, so if you're making a large quantity, you know, if you're into the business, you know amount of like, you know how you put it, you know the amount you will put inside. Okay, if you're not into this skincare, please do not mix this. Please do not mix. Okay, so that is just it, guys. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notification bell below, and let me know under the comment section the next video you want me to drop for you. Please, guys, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to smash the like button of this video and share with your friends and family. Most of it all, make sure you turn on your post notification bell below, okay, for your own good. See you in my next video. Bye.